What's up, buds? Today, it's Tuesday. I have this whole week off of work. I'm like laid off from wintertime still. I go back full time come Monday, so this is my last full week to do whatever I want. So I'm hoping the weather is nice so I can ride. I want to put the 360 camera on the helmet and just take a little ride and test it and see if it's worth using it up front of the helmet like I do the GoPro, just to get more angle of everything. I don't have a microphone for it. My GoPro adapter doesn't work for that camera for whatever reason. It's a USB-C microphone adapter. I read reviews on the Insta360 microphone adapter made for that camera, and they're terrible. People say it doesn't even work. So I don't know how or if I'll get a camera or a microphone for that camera. I'm planning on it. I'm going to try a few things. Worst case, I'll record audio on a separate device, overlay it on the video afterwards if it comes down to that. It's more work, but I'll do it. But today, I'm going to run to the store and get a hose so I can wash this thing here versus going to the car wash every time. That way I can actually scrub it, use my own stuff. I have a bucket of stuff over there. But yeah, I'm going to go to the store, get a hose, wash this thing, try the 360 camera out on the helmet. I got a hose that's probably going to burst open and completely be a pile of junk in like 3 days. I'm going to try this stuff out. Got a sponge, microfibers. Yeah, she's washed. That's out of the way. I'm gonna wipe the wheels down quick. The wind seems to have calmed down quite a bit, so pretty soon I'm jumping on that thing. I'm gonna charge the 360 camera back up since I just used it for a time lapse for wash in the car. And then once that's charged, hopping on that. I'm gonna put the 360 camera on my helmet. I'm gonna go for a little ride. I'm not gonna have a microphone like I said, so it'll just be a riding video. You won't be able to hear me probably at all. It's still kind of windy, so there's probably gonna be some wind noise, but I just kind of want to test out the camera, the angle, see how it works. So as you can see, one lens faces directly at me, and I got full range on my helmet to see everything. So we'll give it a shot. Alright, here we go.
camera because I'm looking straight ahead right now, not moving my head at all. And look at all the angles I can see without even looking. It's kind of neat. I can just pick anywhere I want, and I can put it there without even looking. GoPro, you can't do that with a normal one. Alright, so that's the test run for the camera, just to kind of see what it looks like. We only went 54 miles per hour, but I was in town. Yeah, I need to figure out a microphone for this thing. That'd be cool. But I'll do what I can for now without having one. Leaking gas because I just filled it. But yeah, we'll see what that looks like. And then I'm not going to use this camera a whole lot until I get a new computer, because trying to edit this 360 stuff on my computer now, it takes, just to do like a 5-minute clip, it takes like 2.5 hours just to do it. So, and that's just to edit it, not even to upload it and process it and all that stuff. So it takes way too long. When I get a new computer, it should be quick, but I just wanted to give it a test, see what it looks like, if it's worth using it on the helmet or just bringing it out every now and then. If it is worth using it on the helmet, I will use this camera like primarily, as long as I can get a microphone for it or find a place to mount it and then use audio from somewhere else, like I said. But see what it looks like. I've been wanting to try it for a while on the helmet, just to kind of see